Good morning, students. Let's understand second tense in past tense, that is past continuous tense. First, let's see the use of past continuous tense. First use, express. The past continuous tense is used to express an action that was in progress at a certain point of time in the past. It means when any action was continuing in past at a certain point of time, then we have to use past continuous tense. I repeat, when any action was continuing at a certain point of time in the past, we have to use past continuous tense. Here also, students, I want to draw your attention. This past continuous tense usually used with simple past tense. Past continuous tense is usually used with simple past tense. For example, when he came to my house, I was reading the newspaper. See the sentence. When he came to my house, I was reading the newspaper. Here in this sentence there are two clauses. When he came to my house. Now if you see the sentence structure of when he came to my house, it is in the simple past tense. And the second clause, that is I was reading the newspaper, that is in past continuous tense. So usually this past continuous tense is used with simple past tense, as it denotes the action which was continuing at a certain point of time in the past. He was playing at that time. He was playing at that time. So that is also example of past continuous tense. Another use, for unfulfilled plans with verbs like try, hope, plan, etc. Many of the times we planned or we hoped or we tried for different actions, but it was not fulfilled. So to express unfulfilled plans, that time we use some of the verbs such as try, hope, plan. That time we have to use past continuous tense. For example, I was trying to score maximum marks. See the sentence. I was trying to score maximum marks. Here I was trying, it suggests past continuous tense, and it also shows unfulfilled plan or unfulfilled desire. I was trying to score maximum marks. It means I haven't scored maximum marks. I was trying to score. So for unfulfilled plans, to express them, we use the verbs like trying, hope, plan. That time we use past continuous tense. I was planning to solve this sum. That time also I was planning. I have used the verb plan. I was planning. So that also suggests an unfulfilled plan. Now students, in past continuous tense, we use helping verbs was and were. I repeat, in past continuous tense, we use helping verbs was and were. If you remember in introductory video module of tenses, I have explained forms of to be. So this was and were, they are to be forms of past tense, of past form. To be, it is a verb, and its past form, that is was and were. So was, were we use as helping verbs in past continuous tense. And the main verb, it always comes with ing form as it is continuous tense. And in my introductory video module of tenses, I taught you that in 6 continuous tenses we use verb with ing. Now let's see the table of past continuous tense. Person, singular, plural. First person, second person, third person. You are familiar with this. Now in past continuous tense we use helping verbs was and were, and the main verb we use with ing form. So remember, with first person singular and the third person singular, we use helping verb was. You can see in the table. I was playing, he was playing, she was playing, it was playing, Amit was playing. So with first person singular and with third person singular we use was. And with other persons, second person singular and first person, second person and third person plural, we use were. You were playing, we were playing, they were playing. But with first person singular and with third person singular, we use was. This remember. And that is why I have drawn this table. With I and with he, she, it or any singular subject, we use was in past continuous tense. And with other persons, with second person singular and with first person, second person and third person plural, we use helping verb were. And as it is continuous tense, so we use verb with ing. Playing, 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 playing. So that verb with ing, that we have to use as it is a continuous tense. So this is about past continuous tense.